Over the past month, over 40,000 medical workers from across the country have come to Hubei and Wuhan to help fight against coronavirus epidemic. Today, they're going home. This medical team from Ningxia Hui Autonomous Region came to Wuhan when coronavirus infections rampaged in this epicenter. They're now returning their home 2,000 kilometers away. Today, the first batch of over 3,700 doctors and nurses are returning home. The Pikachu mascot just popped out of nowhere. He seems like a volunteer, bringing another touch of warmth in this city. Many of them have been working over 10 hours a day. It must be exhausting. 来这边多长时间了？
来这边43天了。
现在回去是什么心情？
很激动，也很舍不得，很留恋。多大了
？2岁整。
这是爸爸拍的吗？
不是，是姥姥拍的。
第一次离开他这么长时间？
第一次，真是第一次离开这么长时间。
The police are escorting the medics on their way to the airport. Their return ticket is specially made to memorize their dedication.
再见。
希望你们再来湖北，再来武汉。谢谢。
宁夏的各位队员们，你们好！你们是今天出发的最后一支医疗队，你们辛苦了！祝你们凯旋而归，也祝你们一路平安。谢谢你们，你们永远平安健康。谢谢大家。
回去想吃啥？
谢谢妈妈做的饭。
离开武汉想说最后一句话是什么？
就是我希望最后剩下那7000多名患者能够早日康复。
你好，来，进来我看一下，谢谢。好，谢谢。你好。好，谢谢，你们辛苦了。你好。谢谢。